So, welcome back. So, we, in the last episode, were working on this. I still have some cleaning up to do. I need to fill in a little stuff here and there. I just got tired and, everything needs to be cleaned up. And like I said, this is, I'm not proud of any of this. I did have some good welds in certain spots here and still learning. Still got a lot to do. So what I want to do today is I want to cut out a piece to fill in this spot and see if I can get it to sort of come into this area. The problem with this metal, as I've said in the other episodes, is it's not great. It just kind of melts away real quick. You have to do super low amps and hope to God that it doesn't blow out a big hole in it, and then you have to fill it in. So that's my big dilemma. I know these two are not perfectly symmetrical, and I'm trying to just cover that up a little bit with a piece here, but this did make this substantially stronger, so there's no real give there anymore when there used to be a lot of flex. Got the wheels. Still need to I'm waiting on some parts before I can put these on finally. I just kind of stuck them on to see what it looked like. It does have a little bit of an angle forward. I'm okay with it for now. It's alright. So I think we're going to go with this. I still think this thing's a little too long, but we're going to throw we'll throw the engine on soon, and once I get the other parts I need for the wheels and everything, we'll throw the engine on and we'll check it all out. I did get the torque converter. It's upstairs. You'll see that in one of the next episodes. There's no point in taking that out and putting it on until we have everything else. So today is just about, I really just want to fill this piece in, and maybe I'll start touching up some of these other spots that need to be cleaned up. And I know this, honestly, the welds over here weren't too bad. It's just I was using stick welding and a little bit of TIG when I needed it. This is just that piece that was there attached to this. I just kind of filled in around it, so it's strong. That's all I really care about. So pretty and strong are two different things, and I'm sure I'm just going to be laughed at in the comments about the welding job on this, but I'm learning. I'm figuring out what works, what doesn't work. My big problem is I'm still trying to figure out how to do the materials, like different types of metal and thicknesses and stuff, and this is obviously some sort of, it's probably like an alloy or something, because it just doesn't act like anything I've ever seen before. So, doesn't matter. It works. It's tight. It is actually attached. I just want to make this look a little bit better. It's things for me anyway, so it's not like it's a huge deal if it's not perfect. So, yeah, what I'm going to do first, I'm going to cut out a piece of something. I'd like to just put a plate over this and then just make it so I can at least smooth this out, make it look a little better. So I'm going to try to cut out a little piece for here, maybe sort of rounded at the top. It doesn't really need to be, but yeah, so let's do that first and we'll go from there. So I made a little piece that is going to fit right over here. It's probably hard to see from there. I'm just going to cover up this. I'm going to weld this in. I'm going to try to fill this in, but I have a feeling this isn't going to go that well. So, doesn't matter. This is what we're going to try. And, yeah, we'll go from there. I'm not looking for perfection. But, I just want it to be sturdy. So, this is how we learn. I'd love to throw a coat of paint on this thing, but I don't know if I'm going to do that today. Yeah, a lot of sanding and cleaning up, and you can see, like, I was doing stick welding on 90% of this because I'm almost out of argon, so that's probably why I didn't get the best coverage and stuff, but I really just wanted to cover this today, and it worked, and I cleaned up a bunch of the other stuff, so I'm pretty happy that it's strong. So yeah, not sure what we're going to do in the next episode, but we're going to continue on with this. I need to take the engine, blow it off, it's really disgusting now, and put it on here. I don't know if we'll be using that gear or that one. We'll have to see. I have no idea, to be honest with you. I know there's two different adjustable gears in the torque converter too, so we can try switching those before we switch that one. So before I go for today, I just wanted to sneak this in there. This is the torque converter. This is supposed to work on the Predator. I'm sure you see how many holes, patterns it has. I'm sure it'll work on a bunch of other things. I'll include the link below for this. Seems to be pretty good quality overall. So we'll try this out on the drift trike. You can see I was talking about before, there's another gear. Swap that gear here, and it'll change the speed. So I don't know what we're gonna have to do to make this go well, but we will mess with it and we'll change things. There's spacer and stuff in there, so this should be everything we need. So probably in the next episode we'll be installing this and figuring out where the motor's going. So yeah, the nice thing is I can put this on the motor. Well, I should put the motor up there, check out the spacing and see what I have to do, and then I can final mount this and see what how we want to continue. But honestly, I think this thing was like 80 bucks, and you can get them on sale for like, I don't know, like 65, I think was the lowest I saw. So for that price, if it works okay, it's not bad. So alright, I will see you in the next one.